They should make around $30,000 on this house flip. And that's with holding it for 2 years. What's up guys, my name is Dan and this is On the Flip Side. So today we're here in my general contractor's first ever house flip. And they did a killer job. But before we get started, we've got a few new subscribers and I just want to thank you guys. That means a lot. It means a lot that you're enjoying my content and I hope to provide a lot of value for all of you in learning how to flip houses. So I want to say thank you. If you haven't already, smash that like button and then subscribe if you're looking for more content. If any of you guys have videos or topics that you want discussed, comment down below, let me know what they are, and I'll do my best to film a new video covering them. So let's take a look at this house right here. This is my general contractor's first ever house flip, and they did a killer job. You know, they really knocked it out of the park on this one. This was a super cheap house. They bought it for $11,000 way back in June of 2018. Now, the reason it took so long is because they've been working on a lot of projects for us, and this house was basically extra work that they fit in, you know, during nights, weekends, etc. So it took a little while to do, but they had such a spread on it that didn't really matter. And since they paid for it in cash, the holding costs were really low. So we're gonna talk a little bit about numbers, go over everything that they did, and really show you guys the real numbers for a house flip. So first of all, let's check out the house. So taking a walk inside, you can see the contractor opened up this wall right here, making this a beautiful living room, dining room, and kitchen combination. We've got brand new cabinets here, real marble backsplash, stainless steel appliances. Guys, this place is incredible. All right, we're walking around to the hallway here. We've got your laundry right off the kitchen. It's set up for a stackable unit. We've got a brand new hot water heater. Got a brand new furnace here, guys. Nothing to do but move in. They went through, they basically took the house down to the studs. New drywall, new insulation, everything brand new. Flooring, paint, fixtures. Got a nice big linen closet right here. Coat closet, whatever you want to use it for. Open, ready to put in any sort of bars that you want. Got a linen closet right over here. This is the bathroom. I mean, talk about luxury baths here. We got beautiful 12 by 24 tile. We got a rain shower head. Brand new light fixtures, faucets. And they went with a beautiful brushed gold finish on the hardware. This is stuff you see in way more expensive homes. Beautiful. We got 3 nice sized bedrooms. Here's the back one. This one looks out to the backyard. Got a nice view. We have a beautiful fenced in yard. Can't see it that well. Going in, we got bedroom number 2. Another good size closets in these bedrooms as well. All right, so what all you guys have been waiting for, let's go over the numbers for this property. The purchase price for this house was about $11,000. Closing costs on the buy side are about $2,000. This would be title charges, just recording fees, miscellaneous fees, etc. So the rehab, since they did a lot of the work themselves, they were able to keep the numbers fairly low. But they still spent about $25,000 on the renovation because, you know, materials, extra labor for plumbing, electricians, etc. All that adds up, and they still spent about $25,000. Just for a reference, if I was to buy this house and hire them to do the job, I would probably pay between $35,000, $40,000, probably $40,000 to have them do this project. So they saved a good chunk of money. Then holding costs for the house. These are actually pretty low. Because this house has very low taxes and because they paid for it in cash, they don't have any mortgage costs. So for holding it for even 2 years, their holding costs are just about $3,000. They've got utilities and they've got taxes, and that's basically it. So if you're gonna hold a house for a long period of time, paying cash can be a great asset. So finally, they've got closing costs on the sell side. This will include real estate commissions, again, title fees, a survey, and for this area, most likely a credit for the buyers. Buyers a lot of times will ask for closing cost credit to help offset some of the costs of their own loan charges. So I'm gonna estimate probably about $2,000 to $3,000 that the buyers are going to be asking for. So we're talking about possibly $10,000 in closing costs on the sell side. So if they sell for list price $80,000, they should make around $30,000 on this house flip. And that's with holding it for 2 years. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, please smash that like button. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell for notifications when we put out new videos, because we are trying to give you as much info as we possibly can on flipping houses so that you can get started with a good knowledge basis and make some good money. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for sticking around to the end. Hit that subscribe button right over here. And we've got some other videos to check out. You know, if you're just getting started and you don't know, how much money you need, use your stimulus check to get started flipping houses right over here. And, just check out this video over here too, because this is good stuff, guys. Check it out, enjoy, thank you. I'll see you on the flip side.